Hi guys, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna be starting this thing on my channel from time to time, and I'm gonna be calling it IHI then UHI, which means I have it then you have it, which means it's little giveaways from time to time on my channel. Now, isn't that exciting? I've been wanting to do this for so long. It's literally just to say thank you to all of you guys just for being so patient with me and for supporting me from the beginning. I kind of really want to give back and say thank you. So this is the way that I think I'm gonna be doing it, and I really hope you guys enjoy these little videos and these little giveaways from time to time. Now, I did mention in one of my videos that I am going to be doing a big giveaway once I hit 14K, and that is always on plan. I've been buying little things here and there, doing that little baggie full of my favorite products in there. But for the IHI then UHI videos, these are just mini giveaways that I'm going to be giving away to one winner here on my channel. So I'm quite excited. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm giving away this time. As you guys could see from the thumbnail, if you guys could see from the title, it's exactly what I'm giving away, and it is the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I am so excited. I love this palette so much. I have filmed 2 tutorials using this palette. One of them is what I have on my eyes at the moment. If you guys haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out right here. Come on, you want to click on it, but before you click on it, keep watching this video. I'm gonna be giving away one blood sugar palette to one of lucky winner out there. So this is mine. Obviously this one is pretty used up, is what because I used it on my eyes, but this is mine. This is what the colors look like, and this is what you're gonna be getting as well. Now, this is one huge palette. The packaging is just too pretty to ignore, and it's just a palette that I really wanted to have for so bad. But yours, it is brand new, it is wrapped up, it's all in here, it's bubble wrapped as well. I'm also gonna go ahead and bubble wrap it some more so you guys can get it safely and not broken. But this is yours and this is mine, and yours is brand new. So the rules for this giveaway is pretty simple. So it's gonna be the same rules to all of my IHI then UHI videos. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Everything's gonna be indicated in the info box, and make sure that you follow the rules correctly, because I'll be checking everything up to see if you are following me, and if you're not, then unfortunately I'm gonna be choosing somebody else. So this is how it's gonna go. Just to let you know, this is open worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, I'll be shipping your gift to you. And one little thing that I'm asking you guys is a little favor. If you guys love me and if you guys want to get some free stuff, please make sure that your parents are okay with it. I really don't want to get in trouble with any parent, because obviously if you win, I do need to have your personal information, your address, so I can go ahead and ship you this product. And I'll be contacting you guys through Instagram if you have one. If not, I'll try my best to contact you here on YouTube. And yes, so how it's gonna go, how you're gonna enter. So this is the rules on how to enter. It's very simple, very easy. There's 2 simple rules. One of the rules has multiple steps to it. So all of the steps are in the info box down below. All you need to do is click the links below. It will take you to my personal pages. You can go ahead and follow and like my social media down below, because I will be checking. So the first one, obviously you need to be a subscriber to my channel right here. Second rule is that you need to be also following me on my Instagram page, which is down here, and it's in the info box down below for you guys. Third rule, you also need to follow me on Twitter, so my Twitter username, and it's also in the info box down below. Fourth rule is actually an optional one, but it is an extra entry for you guys. So if you follow me on there, then you have an extra chance to win this giveaway. So you need to also like my Facebook fan page right here, also in the info box down below. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And then at the end, the second rule is that you need to write down in the comments down below here on my YouTube video, and not on my Instagram, not on Twitter, not on Facebook. It needs to be written on my YouTube video. It's very important. Write down below. Let me know your Instagram username, your Twitter username, and your name on Facebook, because I will be checking all of my social media, making sure that you are following me on all of them. And if you are, then you're a winner, and if you're not, then somebody else is gonna win. Unfortunately, you won't be a winner if you're not following me on all of my social media. I know there's some people that might not have Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. So let me know in the comments down below if you don't have Instagram, or if you don't have Twitter, or if you don't have Facebook. Let me know down below so I kind of get a heads up that I would know, that I can, you know, make sure that, okay, this person does not have one of the social medias, so I'll make sure that I have that in mind as well. That's only if you don't have it. Now if you have it, please go ahead and follow me if you want to win the blood sugar palette. So that is it for the rules. That is it. That's all you need to do for this giveaway. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do these videos from time to time here on my channel, the IHI, then UHI. I also have another one coming up soon, so I'm quite excited. So the winner will be announced in 2 weeks. I'm giving this video a 2-week deadline so you guys could enter. So by the date that I upload this video, you can check it down below, and I'll also write it in the info box for you guys so you guys could know when this giveaway is gonna finish. I'm gonna give it 2 weeks because I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. Once it's posted, I'm gonna write down the date deadline below so you can know that this is the date it's gonna end. And then the winner is gonna be announced in a video of mine. And I'm also gonna be announcing it on my Insta Story. If you guys have Instagram, then you will get your chance to see it as well. If you guys have some friends and family you want them to go ahead and join this giveaway, please go ahead and do so. I will be posting a picture letting you guys know that I have a giveaway going on my YouTube channel. So if you want to tag some friends and whatnot, you can go ahead and do that as well. I'm sorry that I cannot give more than one gift here on my channel, but I will get the chance to have more than one IHI than UHI video, so everybody could get the chance to enter, and hopefully everybody could get the chance to win as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck to everyone. So the steps are very easy. Please go ahead and follow each step, and the winner is going to be chosen randomly here on my YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck to everyone, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!